All right, so here we have a 2006 Chevy Silverado. We're working on the back doors. The power door locks do not work. This is an integrated latch and lock design. All right, so we're going to go ahead and replace it. The first thing we're going to do is remove our door panel. We do have a little bolt at the corner here that is 9/32. All right, so we'll go ahead and remove that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pop my door handle trim off. Alright, so once we got our lower bolt off, we have another bolt right here, same size. Right now we should be able to lift our door panel up and slide it off. We have our electrical connector. Oh, the whole thing's busting out. Okay, so we'll go ahead and pull our vapor barrier back. And we have our latch right here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take out, we have 3 bolts right here. They're T30s, or Torx 30. And we'll go ahead and remove those. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and remove all of our hold downs for our linkage. Okay, so you just want to push the clip back. And we can pull it out. And we're going to go ahead and just pop these ones out. And then we have one more going from the latch to the door handle here, same as this connector here. So we'll go ahead and push the tab back and then pull it out. Go ahead and disconnect our electrical connectors. Alright, so here we have our new latch assembly that we got from Auto Parts Direct to You. Just want to make sure that they're the same. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and swap all of our rods over. Alright, so this one was on the bottom. Oh. And then All right, this one I'm going to leave. I guess I could just put it back in the same spot, huh? We might have to adjust that. But it's in the same location as the original. All right, so now we'll go ahead and put this back in the vehicle. All right, so we're going to go ahead and pass our cables through, or our linkage. All right. Go ahead and put our electrical connectors back on. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and tighten up our latch bolts. Go ahead and put our rod back in its holder. And go ahead and attach our rod back up to our door handle. Attach our rod to our inner handle. Just want to make sure that everything's working. Our door handle length was right for the rod. All right, so we're ready to put our door panel back on now. Go ahead and slip our window switch back in. All right, so you just want to make sure we line up all of our hooks. So we're going to be up a little bit and then slide it down. Looks like we shot our lock off. I think it goes that way. Our door handle bezel. Right, now we have our 2 door panel bolts to put back in. All right, so now we'll go ahead and try the lock and unlock. All right, so we're all set with this repair. We'll go ahead and get it back to the customer.